Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today, I decided to do something that I had heard from another YouTuber, MAMABEAR Prepping. She said she vacuum seals some of her older medications that, just you got too many of them or whatever. Or you haven't taken them like me. There's a few times I haven't taken them, and I end up getting auto refills, so I have extras. So what I did is I took them out of the bottle. This happens to be my diabetes medicine, so you don't need to see the bottles. They will be all labeled, but right now they're not. So I took some of this leftover plastic that I have from making other bags for other things, and I vacuum sealed them in there. I will be labeling them, and then I'll be putting them in my medicine and first aid stuff. So that way, if, things get bad and I can't get my medications, I will still have some. Yes, it probably won't be as strong as it did before, but it will be something. And these are mostly my diabetes meds that I happen to have some extra because I put them on autofill. And every now and then, I have a bad memory, so I don't always take them the way I should. But they tend to build up when I do the autofill. So this time, when I got my prescription, I just took whatever was left over, and I'm going to start doing that. So I will have a little stockpile of my medications. I'm not going to not take them, but whatever I do end up missing or they start, building up a little bit, for whatever reason, I'm going to vacuum seal them and put them in my first aid kit. Well, not my kit, but my buckets of prepping supplies like that. So, and it's also a way to use up some of my extra vacuum seal bags that are pieces from vacuum sealing things. So I had a couple of different sizes and just cut the piece, sealed off that edge, poured the pills in there, and vacuum sealed them. So that's the way I'm going to be able to keep some of my medications for this, other situations. Here's Care Bear. She's not too thrilled because she doesn't like the noise of the vacuum sealer. But I've got to now label these and put them away. And that way I don't have to worry about it. I have a little bit here and there. I had one of them. This one in particular is my diabetes medication. Anyways, I lost a bottle, and during the flood, I misplaced a bottle, so they replenished it for me. So that's why I have so much of that. But anyways, it doesn't matter. It's just an easy way to use up these little pieces. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean my finger was in the camera. It's just an easy way to use up these little pieces, plus store some meds that for future use in case I need to. That way they're not in the bottle constantly getting exposed to air and this and that when I don't really need them right now. And Care Bear is going to be silly in a few minutes. I can tell already. She's getting to the point where she's going to get wound up. Alrighty. Well, she's licking her feet. And we will say, stay safe. May God bless you to overflowing. And may He keep each and every one of you safe. Bye for now. Oh, don't forget to stock up on meds if you can. Alright. Bye-bye for now.